I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible.
Good morning, Decatur High School. Today is Tuesday, and these are announcements. We will be on convocation schedule on Thursday, so do not be late. Prom money for seniors and juniors is due no later than Friday, March 30th. Prom will be held at Texas Motor Speedway on April 28th. And see Ms. Smith if you have any questions. Anyone interested in driver's ed, the classroom or driving part, see Coach Reeves in the field house. Seniors who plan to attend a four-year university, if you're interested in applying for AVID Be the Change Scholarship, pick up an application in Ms. Russell's room. Applications are due Friday, April 6th. All NHS members are required to attend our spring kickoff lunch meeting in the library on Thursday. Lunch will be served, but please bring your own drink. See you there. Now for sports with Crazy Colin.
Yeah. And I got a colorful aura, like I got neon dots.
Basketball against Argyle here. Girls play at 6:15 and guys play at 8. And then we got girls soccer against Lake Worth here at 5. And then guys soccer at Stephenville. They play at 6:30. Come to the games. Be loud.
Now for Miss Edwards' 2 cents.
Here comes the sun, here comes the sun, I say it's alright. Everybody in the club.
Well, you guys thought you were going to get Miss Edwards for 2 cents, but too bad, so sad. You get the Dominican. My 2 cents today is all roads to victory are paved by losses. That's your 2 cents. Good luck basketball, soccer, and everybody else.
Have a great day.
Have a great day.